the Most Reverend Leo M. Drona, SDVPP, Reverend Father Chudolfo B. Barria Jr. After 6 years of hard work, patience, and perseverance, we are about to harvest the fruit of our labor, the cherished diploma. Despite all hardships, difficulties, and trials that had come our way, thank God we finally made it. Hard as it may, it is difficult to say or think about what seemed impossible. For the dream of yesterday is the hope of today and the reality of tomorrow. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of these 93 candidates for graduation 2011, may I request your honor to bestow upon all these graduating pupils of the grade school and preschool department present this morning our confirmation and consequently the conferment of our diploma.
And to do the honor of giving the confirmation to our candidates, it is my pleasure to call in the dynamic, big-hearted, and motherly principal of our school. Let us welcome, together with a big round of applause, Dr. Zenaida M. Benicena.
To our beloved Bishop, Reverend Most Reverend Leo M. Drona, to our energetic Director, Reverend Father Chudolfo B. Barria Jr., to the administrative staff, parents, teachers, friends, guests, good morning. By the power vested in me by the Department of Education and the Diocesan Catholic School System, I, Dr. Zenaida M. Benicena, the principal of the San Pablo, hereby confirm you as graduates 2010-2011. Congratulations.
Congratulations, candidates. Thank you, Dr. Benicena. Please be seated. The Saint of San Pablo is mindful and appreciative to the contribution of parents in the achievements and accomplishments of their children. Through their never-ending support, sacrifice, and encouragement, the top 3 pupils in the pre-elementary and grade school levels were able to attain success in their education here in the Saint of San Pablo and became the cream of the crop. You worked hard, parents, no matter how hard life is, and became our good partners in educating our children. And so, before we give awards to deserving pupils, we would like to recognize first the most outstanding parents of this year.
Reverend Leo M. Drona, SDVPP, Barria Jr. After 6 years, we are about to harvest the fruit of our all hardships, difficulties. Despite all hardships, difficulties, we finally made it. Hard as it may, what seemed impossible of today and the reality of tomorrow. On behalf of this 93, may I request your honor
the honor of giving the confirmation dynamic, big-hearted,